What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are at Newins Bayshore Ford for an all charity car show. And yeah, kind of an overcast rainy day, but still a ton of cars here. Let's walk around and take a look. Here to show, Newins Bayshore Ford with Vicious Stangs. Rolled in pretty deep here. You can see we have a lot of different cars. A 96 to 98 Cobra. My 04. I think this is an 05 GT. Really nice Mach 1 wheels on it, or Mach 1 style. Tom's California Special. Anthony's Boss. Letitia's GT350. Mike's GT500. Dante's California Special. Carmine's GT500 carbon fiber track pack. Just an amazing group of cars here. 07, 09 500. A Cobra. GT500 KR. I think I saw this car at, there's two of them actually. I think I saw one of these at a Vanderbilt show. Really rare cars. Celine S281. Not sure if it's an SC or not. Adam's twin turbo Coyote. Nice 93 Cobra. GT350R.
It's a 3-hour lap.
My buddy Pete's 02 GT. Some classic Mustangs, a lot of Shelbys. This is a Shelby show. Now the Boss. Really nice 93 Cobra. 7-Up Convertible. 83 Mercury Capri. That is cool. Nice Coyote 1314 car. A 69. Shelby. Beautiful Roush. Roush 427R. That's, you don't see these at all. Coyote Swap Fox. Mr. Chrome 04 Terminator. We're here with Suffolk Stangs. Got some beautiful GT500s. I think this is Pam's new one. Tim's. This was my buddy's car, he just sold it. Beautiful turbo Mach 1. California Special. Jim's car, beautiful. 70 Boss 302. A 69, another 70. Beautiful 05 Celine S281 SC. Billy's Crazy Celine. Pat's Fox Body when he's now driving his Terminator. Mugger's Supercharged SN95. And Mikey's Turbo Fox Body. Hey, we got an 87, 88 Turbo Coupe. Ranchero. A lot of cars you don't often see. Beautiful Fox Body convertible. Another 70 Mach 1. Beautiful. It never ceases to amaze me how many beautiful cars are on Long Island. They're just sitting in garages, only come out for Sundays. There's another Roush. Coyote car. Ooh, a Ford Probe right there. Nice Supercharged Mach 1. Nice 96 to 98 Cobra. Another Super Snake. GT350. Cool looking Fairmont. It's like a 71, 72 car. This is pretty. Okay, my buddy Tommy's beautiful 86 GT Coyote swap. Really sick cars over here. Might be a P71. Suffolk County led our little roll in today with their 03 Cobra and their Camaro Z28. Good guys. Look at that Ford Taurus SHO shirt. What is that all about, dude? My buddy Ralph's LX Convertible. Really clean Coyote S550. Little V6 Mustang. Haven't seen one of those in a long time. This one looks perfect. Nice Fox body convertible. LX. AJ's SHO. Another Shelby. Nice wheels on this. I love the styled steel wheels. I think this is a 66. That's nice. Got some Thunderbirds. Good group of cars here. It's a little overcast. Tiny bit rainy, but hopefully it'll go away and leave us alone for at least for the afternoon or for the morning and not come back till the afternoon. So I got my buddy Joey's 04 Mr. Chrome. Really nice Celine. Maybe like an 88 or so. I like this car. It's kind of grungy, but I like it. I love the GT40, the old school look. Nice 500. Mach E GT. A bone stock 2-valve car. I think it's got a cold air. That's all I know about. A nice Thunderbird. A lot of beautiful cars here. Like I said, when was the last time you saw a Ford Probe? Come on, really. Look at that Probe. There's a lot of beautiful cars. So great time today at the car show at Bayshore Newins Ford. A lot of beautiful cars, a lot of Shelbys and Roushes, things you don't see every day. Just, you know, a good time. Vicious Stangs of Long Island had a really great presence there. It was just cool kind of rolling in with 30 some odd, 40 whatever cars. Had the Suffolk County Police Terminator Cobra leading us in, and the Camaro Z28 on our 6, which was just was really cool. The day itself was great. The weather held out. The weather held up, you know, for the most part. We had a couple of sprinkles here and there, and kind of rained on us on the way home, but what are you gonna do, right? I'm gonna pull the car in, and yeah, I mean, I had a great time today, and I hope you had a great time watching this video. And if you did, do me a favor, hit that like button, or better yet, hit that subscribe button so you get all the latest content here on the channel. Well, I'm gonna run, but I want to thank you very much for watching, and I will see you.